So I know you don't hate working. I know. You actually just hate working like this. Clocking in, asking for permission, waiting for the right time. Because that's not freedom. And the truth is, if you want freedom, you need a new mindset. So welcome back to My Business Vibe, the space where we're serious about mindset and business and building the life that we desire. So if you're trying to break out of the 9-to-5 cycle and into the freedom you know you deserve, you're in the right place. So let's get into it. So I've said this phrase many times, stop trading time for money, but really that's just one layer of the employee mindset. There's a deeper version of it that a lot of us are still carrying. Let's break down what it actually looks like. You're still chasing validation, basically meaning you're still waiting for someone to approve your moves. Instead of trusting your own vision, you're looking for a supervisor or a client to tell you, yeah, you're doing it right. But as an entrepreneur, you're the validation. Or you're stuck in productivity guilt, feeling like if you didn't work 8 hours, you didn't earn anything. That's employee energy. Entrepreneurs move differently. It's not about hours, it's about value and result. If you're okay with pouring time and energy into somebody else's dream because it feels safer, but deep down, you know you've got something of your own to build, because yes, you're building something, just not for you. Last, you fear failure like it's the end. But listen, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of the path. If you do fail, so what? Most people do, but it's not the end. You can still get up, pick up the pieces, and keep moving. So what do you need instead? A leadership mindset, because no one's going to hold your hand in entrepreneurship or as a small business owner. You have to hold yourself accountable. You need a growth mindset. Be willing to learn, invest in, and educate yourself. Take courses, buy digital guides, get into communities, join groups, and get around people who are doing exactly what you're trying to do. You need a freedom mindset. Understand that your vision matters. You don't need permission to go get it. You just need the right tools and the right mindset. And one AI tool that can help you build anything, Canva. Canva plus Magic Studio AI. So if you're serious about building something real, you cannot afford to ignore the tools that are changing the game right now. And Canva, especially Magic Studio AI, is not just a design app. It's a full-blown business platform. So here's what you can do with it, no matter what type of business you're running. For online and digital product businesses, you can design ebooks, workbooks, social media templates, and even full digital courses. Magic Studio can write your product descriptions, auto-generate your social media posts, and help you build a full product suite fast. For service-based businesses, you can build your own pricing guides or even editable client welcome kits. Magic Studio can help you write emails, pitch decks, or even build your service proposals with smart text suggestions. You can also create templates for onboarding clients, totally branded and automated without needing a photo shoot. You can build packaging inserts, thank you cards, or promo flyers in minutes. Canva can even integrate with printing services so you can order custom labels, merchandise, and more. For personal brands or creators, Magic Studio writes your YouTube descriptions, create social post ideas, generate scripts. You want to create lead magnets? Canva's got full lead magnet templates, plus Magic Design can style them on brand in one click. So whether you're selling ebooks, services, candles, or coaching, you actually have no excuse not to be able to show up professional. Let's recap. If you want to build a life that actually feels like yours, you have to let go of the 9-to-5 rules that's in your head, especially the ones that tell you success looks like a clock, a bi-weekly check, or someone else's approval. You have to lead yourself and invest in growing your knowledge just as much as your business. And you've got to use the tools that help you move faster and smarter. And Canva with Magic Studio AI is one of the best places to start. So remember, you can sell anything once your mindset aligns with your mission. If you watched until the end, thank you, and I appreciate you guys. Do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications, because every week I'm dropping content to help you grow your mindset, grow your business, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Drop a comment below and let me know what mindset shift you're working on right now. And also check the description for resources that I personally use as well. So, and as always, thanks again for vibing with me. I'll see you all next time.